This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Layton's Chance Vineyard and Winery.
Are you dreaming of a white Christmas? Perhaps a red Christmas? How about a rosé Christmas? You figured it out. I'm not talking about the weather. I am talking about wine, and I can think of no better place to talk about wine and maybe perhaps sip a little than at Layton's Chance Vineyard and Winery, and that is where I'm at right now. I am in the tasting room with the general manager of Layton's Chance. This is Jen Layton. How you doing?
Good to see you.
Yeah, it's good to see you. Now, we're not just going to talk about wine. We're actually going to make some wine and talk about the Christmas marketplace.
Absolutely.
And
we will have this mulled wine that we're going to make available at our Christmas market this coming weekend.
Oh, okay. Well, what do we do to get started?
So first you need a crock pot. And you need 1 bottle of wine. We used our farm red. You want a dry red.
And that makes a big difference in the taste. I mean, if you wanted something sweeter,
you could use we are all about what you like to drink. It's not about us.
Okay, all right.
And then 4 cups of apple cider.
Apple cider.
Yeah. I'm not very good at this. Then we have our mulling spices, which you can get here in our tasting room.
And what's in the mulling spices?
It's nutmeg, cloves, like all the good smells.
Oh, yes.
Did you get?
And
this time of year you can smell that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
We'll mix that up and put some apple slices.
Okay.
Put the lid on and let it simmer. It will make your house smell so good.
Yeah.
And it tastes
yummy. It tastes amazing. So how long does it take before you can drink it?
Well, in this one, probably an hour.
An hour?
So you want to start this before your party.
Before your party. Okay. Yep. All right. So you're going to have it at the Christmas market happening this weekend at the winery. What else is going on at the Christmas market?
So it'll be 12 to 4. We have live music both days. We also have like almost 30 vendors each day. And there are a few ones that change out. So if you want to come both days, you can do that too. And we have a huge stock up for the holiday sale.
Okay.
So we have 6 different wines that are 40% off.
Oh, wow.
So our farm red, farm white, our Traminette, Joe's Cool Red, which is a big one.
That's a big seller.
We also have Dirty Rosé and Laura's Lemonade. So those are all 40% off this weekend.
Oh, that's amazing. You can't beat that.
Yeah.
And of course, there's going to be all kinds of other things. I mean, just here in the tasting room, you have an amazing assortment of gifts.
Yes. Yeah, we have gifts here. And like I said, we have our consigners bringing more in. It's a really fun time. And all the wines that we have on sale, we have available for tasting this weekend. So it makes it really nice so you can try it before you buy it. But this would make a great gift. The farm red, which will be 40% off with the mulling spices, makes a great gift to give as a hostess gift.
The Christmas market is happening this weekend. What time?
12 to 4 each day, Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday. And you just show up and get ready for Christmas.
That's right.
Yeah.
Lots of shopping to get done and get your list checked off.
And imagine getting it all done before Thanksgiving.
That's right.
Jen of Layton's Chance, thank you so much for showing me how to make the mulled wine, and look forward to the Christmas market this weekend.
Thank you.
All right.